Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic. The table topic is if you had a friend who spoke to you in the same way that you sometimes speak to yourself, how long would you allow this person to be your friend? If you had a friend who spoke to you in the same way that you sometimes speak to yourself, how long would you allow this person to be your friend? How long I would allow that to be my friend? Many a times in our life, we often have a conversation with ourselves. I think most of the conversation that we have with ourselves because we spend most time with ourselves, and sometimes it happens we become too hard uh, on yourself, where you just keep nagging yourself. You become too hard on yourself, right? And it uh, it might also mean that sometimes you appreciate yourself a lot, right? And in both ways, uh, I think uh, first is bad, that when you have a very different tone with yourself, but it also depends that how frequently you have this kind of conversation. If I talk about myself, how long, if that friend is speaking to me in the, let's say, in appreciative manner, when sometimes when I talk to myself that I appreciate myself, that I have come a long way and I have done this and that, so I would allow that friend to talk to me, like, not forever, but for some time it's fine, and many times, but not every day I would like to have that friend to talk and just appreciate me, right? And the second type is that when somebody talks to me in arrogant manner, be hard on me, I might like it for some time, because if, as long as his feedback is genuine, as long as his feedback is making sense, but after some time it's a human nature that you will not be able to tolerate so much negativity around you. So in both case, I would not like to have this friend like to talk about in this way for a really long time, because ultimately it will affect your peace of mind. And so but it's fine when you often sometimes you talk to yourself in appreciative manner, or in also in a feedback manner, because that helps you grow, and that also helps you to reflect and feel that yes, you have achieved something. Thank you. Over to you.